Hello guys, this is the Crypto King here, and today I'm going to be talking about making money on a coin which is launching on an exchange, and of which in this case the exchange that is launching a coin is called AltcoinTrader. That's where the launch of a coin called MaticPolygon is going to be happening. And there are so many different ways of making money when the coin is being launched on an exchange. And I'll cover some few tactics, strategies that you can actually apply into your trading on the said day. And this launch is going to be happening on the 27th of July 2021, which is next week. Yes. First of all, let's find out who's AltcoinTrader. AltcoinTrader is an exchange. It's the biggest exchange in South Africa. It was launched back in 2015 and it's been launching coins. There are some new coins being introduced to this exchange. It has been actually growing since its inception way back in 2015. And of course, today we are looking at one of the biggest launch that is going to happen of one of the most popular, most on-demand coin, which is called Matic. Let's look at the news from AltcoinTrader about this coin. Check here, MaticPolygon to launch on the 27th July 2021. These were the news that was issued by AltcoinTrader about this coin. Let's check here. It does say AltcoinTrader news, and then they specify the date when is the launch going to happen, and they say MaticPolygon trading will soon be live on the AltcoinTrader platform. We expect trading to go live around 11 a.m. on the 27th of July 2021. They do mention that deposits are currently active to allow clients to deposit MaticPolygon so that they have a positive balance when trading goes live. This means you can actually start depositing your funds, your MaticPolygon coin, so that when the launch happen on the 27th at 11 a.m. you can start actually buying or selling your coins. As always, AltcoinTrader encourages everyone to please do their own research on MaticPolygon before getting involved. They do specify here that for more information, if you want to know about this coin or this project of MaticPolygon, let's go and look. Let's check what it says there. What is Polygon? It's Ethereum's Internet of Blockchains. Polygon is a protocol and a framework for building and connecting Ethereum-compatible blockchain networks, aggregating scalable solutions on Ethereum, supporting an Ethereum ecosystem. Right, it comes here down, it says built by developers for developers. Polygon combines the best of Ethereum and sovereign blockchains into a full-fledged multi-chain system. Polygon solves pain points associated with blockchains like high gas fees and slow speeds without sacrificing on security. This multi-chain system is akin to other ones such as Polkadot, Cosmos, Avalanche, etc., but with at least 3 major upsides. They are mentioned here. Of course, what caught my eyes here is that it solved the problem of high fees, gas fees. That's the biggest problem in the industry. Alright, this is what MaticPolygon coin is all about. That's one of the most spoken about projects in this space. And let's move into CoinMarketCap and check more details about this coin. Check here on CoinMarketCap, and we find out that this coin is top 20. It's number 17 on CoinMarketCap. This is The price as of today, the cost of this coin is 12 Rand 90. Let's check more details here. Right, if you are to check here, this is where you go. Overview of the coin, Matic price live data, and of course you check the live Polygon price is 12 Rand 83 cents, and then you go below here, what is Polygon Matic. You read all about this coin, which is says previously Matic. Of course the new name is called Polygon, which was previously called Matic. It is the first well-structured, easy-to-use platform for Ethereum scaling and infrastructure development. Its core component is Polygon SDK, a modular, flexible framework that supports building multiple types of applications. Right, let's check the statistics, the history. We see here on a 7-day low and high, it has been to 9 Rand 12 cents, and the highest in the last 7 days is 13 Rand 81 cents. And of course, if we are to check in the last 52 weeks, the lowest has been to 17 cents, and the highest it has been to 39 rands, which happened the all-time high. It was May 18, 2021, which is 2 months ago. The highest price was 39 rands 17 cents. So yes, this is MaticPolygon, which is launching on AltcoinTrader. Now the biggest question is how to make money on this coin. What's the strategy to be used when this coin is launching on the 27th of July? Alright, I'll mention you a few things here. First of all, you need to have the coins already in your wallet. What you have to do, you can go and buy this coin from other platforms. Maybe you buy it from Binance platform or any other platform which this coin is trading live. Once you have bought this coin on these platforms, you can transfer it to AltcoinTrader. This is what you can do here. Check. This is what you do when you want to deposit your MaticPolygon coins from other external sources or other external platforms. You come here to deposit. You click here, cryptocurrency. You scroll down here, find MaticPolygon, and then it says deposit MaticPolygon. And then it does give you some tips here, or some warnings to say please note any deposits other than Matic sent to this address may result in the loss of your deposit. This is your personal Matic deposit address, which is given here. What you do, you copy this address, you go and paste it into your wallet where you're going to be withdrawing from and depositing to this platform. Or if you have got the QR code from any other wallet, you can use your QR code here, and then you can send the coins to this platform. And of course, make sure that you use, I'll repeat on this, use the correct address, and do not send any other coins beside the Matic coin. And after that, when you have got all your coins here and you are ready to trade, wait for the time, which is 11 AM on the 27th of July. Right, now all your coins will be on this platform, AltcoinTrader, and then you'll be waiting for the time to start trading. What I normally do, this is my strategy. I check at the price of the coin. Normally I check on coin market cap. obvious. Let's see the price. The price, it says it has gone down to 12 rand 72 cents, and then I see the price is 12 rand 72 cents, and then I set up three take profits levels. The first take profit level is 30% above the price, which is at this point in time the price is 12 rand 72 cents. So 30% above this price is plus 30% is 16 rand 53 cents. So my first take profit will be 16 rand 53 cents. Alright, my second take profit, I'll put it at 50% above my current price, which is 12 rand 72 cents plus 50%. In this case, it means my price will be 19 rands 8 cents. And then my final and last price, I'll set it at 100% over and above my current price, which is at this point in time 12 rand 72 cents plus 100% plus 100%, which means my final price will be at 25 rands 44 cents. Once all these levels are set, then the trading starts. Mind you, it all depends with the volume of the traders that will be on the platform. Normally, when the coin is being launched on a platform, there is a spike that goes up before the coin starts trading on normal price. So we are hoping to get on that spike. We are hoping that the spike that is going to happen is going to hit all our take profits. And of course, once our take profits has been hit, we have made money. We have made some profits. And after some time, when the market has cooled down, maybe after some hours or a day or two, the coin goes back to its normal price. That's when now you can buy it back at your normal price. So this is how you can make money when a coin is being launched on AltcoinTrader. This is a strategy that I've been using for all these launches since AltcoinTrader started launching coins way back in 2015. So yes, I've been making money. Now the difference between making more money and making very little money is it depends on the price of the coin. It depends on the volumes of traders that will be on the platform. Of course, coin like Binance, it didn't have a big spike because the coin was already expensive. The normal price for Binance when it launched, it was 5,300 BNB. It was 5,300 rands, and then there were very few people traded that coin. But I did manage to make some few profits. I remember I did set up some trades and I made some profit. MaticPolygon, you can see that the price of this coin is very low. It's around below 20 rands. So it means there is a lot of people. There are a lot of people that are going to be trading this coin during the launching phase. All right. This is how you can make money. So happy trading. Let's accumulate those coins. Let's buy them, transfer them to AltcoinTrader, and wait for the launch day. And everyone, we can make money. Let's do it. Thank you.